At the bottom of the world, where ice stretches endlessly and the cold can freeze you to the bone in seconds, something impossible happened. It was 2006 when scientists from NASA launched an experiment high into the sky over Antarctica. Floating on a giant balloon 120,000 feet above the frozen continent was ANITA, the Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna. Its job: to listen to the cosmos, to detect signals from ultra-high energy neutrinos, tiny ghost-like particles that pass through matter like it's not even there. The mission was routine, but then something unexpected broke the silence. A strange radio pulse, not from space, not from the sky, but from below. A signal that appeared to rise up from within the Earth, passing through hundreds of miles of rock and ice and reaching ANITA at the edge of space. That should have been impossible. Scientists were stunned. Neutrinos, even the strongest, almost never interact with matter. If one came upward, it meant it had somehow traveled all the way through the Earth and survived. The odds of this happening were nearly zero. At first, the team thought it must be a mistake, a glitch, an echo, something simple. But then, in 2014, it happened again. Another upward-pointing radio signal, this time stronger, clearer, and even more mysterious. This wasn't just noise, it was something real. The signals didn't match the known behavior of any particle we've studied. According to our best models, neutrinos with that much energy shouldn't be able to pass through the Earth, not without being absorbed. Yet here they were, two independent detections, years apart, both rising from the ice. And that's when the questions began. What could possibly survive a journey through the planet? Was it a new kind of particle, a misinterpretation, or something even stranger? Some scientists proposed a bold idea. New physics? Maybe these weren't neutrinos at all. Maybe they were something beyond the standard model, a new particle we haven't discovered yet, something that could pass through the Earth and generate a radio wave as it exited. Others weren't so sure. They argued it could be a rare reflection or an interaction with the dense Antarctic ice, but nothing fully explained the trajectory, the energy, or the pattern of the signal. It just didn't fit. And so the mystery grew. If the signal wasn't from Earth, could it be from somewhere else? Some fringe theorists started whispering about something more dramatic. Could this be artificial? Could we be detecting some unknown transmission, something intelligent? Scientists remained cautious. There was no evidence for aliens, no coded message, just a pulse, a blip in the data. But even without aliens, the implications were staggering. Because if ANITA detected a particle that shouldn't exist, it means our understanding of the universe is incomplete. That there's something out there, some force, some rule, some particle that we haven't found yet. Since then, more detectors like IceCube, buried deep in the Antarctic ice, have joined the search. But none have been able to fully replicate the ANITA event. Still, the search continues. And now a new mission is preparing to launch. It's called PUEO, the Payload for Ultra-High Energy Observations, built with more sensitivity, more power, and a better eye for these ghostly pulses. It will once again float above the white silence of Antarctica, waiting, listening, hoping the signal returns. So, what was it? A neutrino that defied physics? A signal from a new particle? Or a crack in the universe that showed us a glimpse of something deeper? We may not have answers yet, but one thing is certain. The Earth is speaking, and for the first time we're beginning to listen.